Welcome to ReFashioned Art. I'm Laura Madden. I'm in my ReFashioned Art Studio. I want to come on and share a few announcements. I have some fun things happening this week. Again, it seems that's the theme of the year, so we're going to go with that. 2022 is all about fun. So guys, just want to share, look at this amazing top. If you guys caught my live on Saturday afternoon, I was with Chrissy Sayer, the owner of TBC Luxury Consignment and Resale Revolution, and we were actually filming from their newest store, Resale Revolution, at Town & Country Shopping Center in Phoenix, and it was a blast. We shared like some of our favorite looks from the store, all under $350, which was cool and a challenge. I will say, it still can be a challenge, shopping resale because it's such fabulous pieces. But if you caught it, then you noticed that I wore this amazing top. I actually wore it with the skirt that goes with it. And I wanted to just share one of the many ways that I plan to rewear and restyle this. I just paired it with a simple pair of medium rise jeans and a pair of simple pumps. So I will share the full look later, but I wanted to share, this was actually supposed to be part of our lineup. Everything we shared on the live was for sale, and this was part of our lineup, or was supposed to be, but it ended up coming home with me, which I'm very thrilled about. And I've already gotten some good use out of it. So sharing it again, because you know my thing is all about restyle, rewear. And, that circularity is just so powerful, and it really, really is a great way to hone your style and to challenge your style and to show what you got. I'm not one of those like wear it once and it's, out the door or in the back of the closet forever types of girls. I love showing my creativity, and it is a challenge to your creativity to, continue wearing the same pieces in different ways. So just wanted to share one of the ways that I dress this down, and this is Adriana Iglesias, and she has a lot of her pieces in her store, and it's just one of those things, it's so well crafted, clothing that's well made, it feels different. And I feel like $1 billion. And so check out the live. It's actually in their feed. If you go to TBC, Luxury Resale, I shared it in my stories. I'll share it again so you don't miss it. But even if you head to my other Instagram, I am Laura Madden, then you can catch all the links to rewatch it. And like I said, everything we shared was for sale. I know a lot of it has sold, but there might still be some left, and they were just amazing pieces. And shopping resale, it's always going to be a great deal and such a huge savings from buying something brand new. So super, super excited about that. And of course, you guys have heard me say it a million times, repurposing, shopping, the secondhand market, shopping resale, shopping vintage, antiques. It is the most sustainable way you can shop, and repurposing and keeping things that have already been produced, that have already been made in circularity as long as you can is one of the very best things you can do for the environment right now. So I'm going to share a few things from my art brand, enough about clothes, but this one back here, guys, I just want to give a little sneak peek, and I did share the photo of this in my stories last night. Huge. I think it's 5 feet by 4.5 feet. My husband found this at an estate sale and he grabbed it. I'm so excited. It is framed in a really thin gold frame, which is well petiteed. I'm just so psyched about this. So I can't wait to get in there. Let me see. Oh, it's huge. So it's like behind these pieces here, but I cannot wait to get in there and remake that. So I will be repainting this. I will be keeping the frame. It is so fabulous. It's wired to hang on the horizontal, but of course, it can be wired to hang on the vertical as well, but it's so huge. This one actually might even be a wall leaner or something you would lean on a bureau or a desk or whatever, a console. Hello, Doug. How are you? Nice to see you. I do feel like $1 million. You dress for how you want to feel, right? You dress for the day you want to have. And it's just like you decorate your home for the life you want to have. And I want to feel luxury. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I started making my own art, because I wanted to feel like I was living in luxury. And I really enjoyed doing it myself. And that was I'm talking 20 years ago when I started doing that. And eventually it was one of those things, I just could not run it anymore. And now today it is my business. And I hope you will join me in celebrating how amazing it is to fill your home with things that you feel are beautiful, and especially art. It is one of the greatest ways, easiest ways to, you know, bring luxury into your life, I feel. And if you also really care about the environment, all of my originals are made using repurposed materials. Everything you see here, guys, these are salvaged canvases, these little 8x10s. This one here, forgive me, I think this one is like a 24 by 28. These are all salvaged. And this one here, guys, you're going to see this one again soon. Another special announcement. I'm going to be featured on Channel 3 tomorrow morning. That's Tuesday morning. Channel 3 if you're local in Arizona. If not, you can watch it online, I'm sure. Channel 3, that's Arizona Family at 9:05 a.m. That's 9:05 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I'm going to be sharing some really fun things. I'm not going to tell you exactly what the segment is about, but it's going to be really cool. Really, really cool. And hey, who knows? You might just see this top again. I don't know. You might. I just love it so much. I'm really excited to continue restyling this and sharing my style tips for how I continue to extend the life of some of my favorite pieces. Okay, guys, so I'm not going to tell you what I made here, and I'm not going to take the phone off the tripod because the last time I did that, it was a big disaster. So I'm klutzy enough as it is, but I'm going to just come up here. This is 3D. So let me know, guys, thoughts on what has been used here. I'll give you a hint. Everything is repurposed. Everything is salvaged. But I don't know. I'm just loving this. I plan to do a whole series of them. And then I just want to share. These are just other different but similar. Similar strategy, similar style. They are 3D. These are the little 8x10s. I don't know. You guys know I love black and white. Black and white is just my favorite color palette. It really is. So we have a little grouping of these. But tune in tomorrow because you'll see more of them, and I promise to share exactly how I made them and what they're made out of too. And then just wanted to share a little sneak peek of some more black and whites. So guys, if you do have questions, we'd love to entertain any and all of your inquiries. Feel free to put them in the comments. Feel free to DM me. This video will be going on my feed, so you can always comment there as well. But just wanted to share, again, tomorrow morning, catch me live, Channel 3 Arizona Family, if you're local in Arizona, 9:05 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And we're going to be talking fun stuff. And of course, it's all revolving around my brand, merging style and sustainability. And I'm not going to be sharing these, but guys, I have so many fun black and whites. I mean, I have like the biggest collection. I don't even know, maybe 50 of these. I'm so excited. And these are all going to be for sale. These are going to be, ooh, I like that. I think these would be amazing framed. Maybe even framed in like a thin, simple gold like that. Although a very chunky gold, let me see, I don't have one right here, but a very chunky gold might be cool. Kind of neat. It's kind of neat. But I have just like a huge collection of these. Ooh, I love, oh goodness gracious. And so guys, I'm just pulling these off of my little desk here. Good catch. But I just love how these all go together. And again, these are all going to be for sale at some point. Spoiler alert, these are going to be part of a custom install for an exhibit, but they will all be for sale. And I just think they'd be fabulous. Just a huge grouping of them, a huge wall, and you can interchange them and frame them if you want. Framing, I've been talking a lot about framing because it is a great way to customize your style and even customize a piece of art to make it even more like fitting for your aesthetic and your decor in your home, for your style. I just reframed a piece that unfortunately the frame was too far gone and I couldn't save it, so I did have it reframed and it just came out magnificent. Again, it just kind of livened it up. I gave it a whole new life. Hey, Sparkle Beauty, 1984, how are you? Let me know, guys, if you have any questions at all. Also, if you are local in Arizona, another reminder, Art Link Art Decor Fundraising Gala is on Friday, March 11th. I'm partnering with my friend and fashion designer, Ruby Farias. I'm so excited. We are doing this custom install that will be revealed that evening at the gala. It is like a huge mecca for arts and culture of just all of Arizona. We're going to have visual artists, mixed media artists, motion picture, dance, mixologist. We're gonna have food. It is going to be so fabulous. So if you are in Arizona, tickets are only $125. Proceeds go to ArtLink, which is just an amazing organization offering support and resources to artists here in Arizona, and I gotta give them so much credit. I feel it has really helped me launch my career, which was just over 2 years ago here in Arizona. But the opportunities, the artist calls, the events they put together to support artists and help, really at the heart of it, they help connect artists with the business community so we can actually build businesses and we can actually continue doing what we're doing. And it's such a powerful thing because that's not always second nature to us creatives. So it's been huge. So I hope you will come out and support us and see these amazing exhibits that are all going to be revealed on Friday, March 11th. I believe it starts at 6 p.m. But the link is in my bio to purchase tickets. If you need help signing up, just DM me and I will personally send you the link. Or help walk you through that if you need. And then tomorrow morning, I'm going to be on Channel 3 if you're local here in Arizona, 9:05 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And the last thing I just want to share, guys, I know we're all aware of what's happening in the Ukraine. And one of my very good friends is, she actually grew up there and her family's there. So this is something that's really sensitive. I really want to do what I can to help. They need resources, they need money. So I'm going to be sharing more and more of that in my stories. So please stay close to my stories if you would like to see how you can help. But I am just going to try and do whatever I can to, whatever it is I possibly could do. But we'll be sharing more of my stories about that, both here on @ReFashioned Art and I am Laura Madden. So thanks guys for joining. Stay tuned for more on these babies, Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your enthusiasm and just, all of your encouragement here, all of your comments, likes. If you know someone who might be interested in my work or like my style, please share my work with them. Share this Instagram with them. Share my website with them. Word of mouth is one of the greatest ways that I can spread the mission of my brand and I can get my work out there and gain more exposure and build my business. So appreciate your support with that so much. And again, don't hesitate to reach out. shop.iamlauramadden.com if you want to shop prints and merch. All of my originals are available for sale on iamlauramadden.com/art. All right, guys, that's it. I think I have chewed your ear off for long enough. Let me know what you think of my look. This amazing top from TBC Consignment. I will share the full look later in my stories, maybe tomorrow morning, so wait for it. And of course, I know you want to see me live on Channel 3 News tomorrow morning, so I'll be sharing more on that as well. All right, guys, peace.